Hey yo guys, what up? Today we're going to be using the Creator Search Insight program. So make sure you stick around and watch this video till the end. Let's get
Hey
into
guys,
it.
today we're going to try and use the Creator Search Insight program. First of all, you search Creator Search Insight. It opens. You click on the red button and it will pop up. You will see suggested content to create. You click on content gap, which is better. You scroll down and search for the content that best suits you. Like right now, I am searching for a content that I would like to create, and now I think I'm going to click on how to upload your music on Spotify. Yes, how to put your music on Spotify. You click on it, it opens. Then you click on the create button, the red button. You click on it, then you start creating. You understand? Then you explain whatever you want to explain. Yeah, so let me quickly explain how you can upload your music on Spotify. First of all, you have to have a DSP. What is a DSP? A distribution platform like DistroKid, Route Notes, Ditto Music. You register, then you upload your music to those platforms, and they will be in charge to distribute your music on all digital platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and all the other distribution platform, you know. So if you know this tutorial is helpful to you, hit the like button, comment below, and share it to 5 friends. Thank you.